The crossbill is a unique bird known for its crossed beak, which allows it to pry open pine cones and access seeds that other birds can't. Found in coniferous forests across the northern hemisphere, including North America, Europe, and Asia, crossbills thrive in areas with abundant pine trees. Their beaks are perfectly adapted to this feeding strategy, with the tips of their upper and lower mandibles crossing over one another. This adaptation enables them to access seeds hidden inside tightly closed pine cones. Crossbills come in a range of colors, from red and yellow to olive, depending on the species, and they are often heard calling with sharp, jumbled, melodic notes. They are nomadic birds, moving to areas where seeds are plentiful, and they do not have a fixed breeding territory. Instead, they follow food sources, which can lead them to different locations at different times of year. Social by nature, crossbills form tight-knit flocks that help protect each other from predators. The red crossbill has several subspecies, each with a slightly different bill shape to better suit particular pine cone types. This adaptability has helped crossbills thrive in diverse environments, making them resilient, resourceful, and an important part of their ecosystems.